Welcome to the first section in this course on cognitive bias, though we have alluded to a number of somewhat cognitive biases earlier in the course. Cognitive biases, or mental heuristics as they're also called, are ways in which that we deviate from rationality, particularly when we are unaware that we are doing it. They are the sort of mental biases that cause us to jump to conclusions, misinterpret very small or very large numbers, to reject ideas that don't fit our beliefs, and ultimately make bad decisions. Amos Tversky and Daniel Kahneman introduced the notion of cognitive bias and wrote about their ideas in the book Thinking Fast and Slow. In it they describe the two systems of human cognition, System 1 and System 2. System 1 is responsible for fast, automatic, emotional, stereotypical and unconscious thinking. We use it to solve stuff like 2 plus 2, when we switch off when driving down an empty road, and to quickly understand statements or numbers that are put in front of us that we think do not require too much deliberation. System 2, on the other hand, is hopefully the system of thinking that you use when you're taking this course. System 2 thinking is slower, logical, calculating, and most importantly, it is conscious. We would use System 2 thinking to solve something like 23 times 16, to parallel park in a tight space, or when comparing a number of different products that have different qualities and prices. System 2 is the you part of your brain, the conscious, thinking human capable of complex thought. Now, cognitive bias comes in when System 1 gets in the way of System 2, when we make an automatic or emotional response to something without thinking it through logically. System 1 is not the system to be using when you encounter statistics. As you are now more than aware, any statistic you see requires you to stop and engage your System 2 thinking to view it critically. So in this section I will run through a number of cognitive biases that I think are most relevant to statistics. In the next lecture I will start with confirmation bias, one of the most important. I hope you enjoy this section and I will see you in the next lecture.